Welcome to Talking Time with Buford T. Shylock. So today we're going to do a video on an Elgin Model 5 Grade 218 pocket watch. It's my great Uncle John's. He's having me repair it for him. I actually just got done repairing it. And it came out pretty good. It's got a little watch fob, and that's a little dog at the end, and all original. It was his dad's. And all in all, it's pretty good condition. There's the bezel with the glass. I don't have a glass to fit it, so the original one's gonna be the one that it stays with. Plus, my Uncle John likes the fact that it's a completely original. And show you the movement real quick. Okay. Completely serviced. Elgin Watch Company. And the case is just steel. And it's been serviced 2 or 3 times. Yeah, 2 times before I serviced it. And it's completely original. And it's keeping very accurate time. And I'm going to give some description of the details. Okay, so the model is Elgin Model 5, and the grade is 218. And the estimated year it was made was 1900. They only made 67,800 of them. It's an 18S size, all original porcelain dial, 15 jewels, and it's been in his family for 122 years almost, come 2022. And it's all original. Chain, everything. His dad bought it when it was brand new. Back then you had to buy the movement, I believe, and then the case. But it's been in the family for that many years. And it's a really neat watch. And it's running, of course, and all in all, it's in very good condition. Not rusty. It does have a bit of tarnishing. But other than that, it's pretty good. Although the dial does have, I don't know if you can see it, but come on. The dial does have some hairline cracks in the dial. Yeah, there you go. But all in all, it's really, really good condition for the age and the miles. And I just wanted to do a quick video today, and I will talk to you next time.